Outdoor lighting is one of the easiest and most effective ways to enhance the beauty and ambiance of your home. Whether you're hosting a gathering or simply enjoying your backyard, the right outdoor lighting can create a welcoming and cozy atmosphere that extends your living space into the outdoors. For homeowners in Flower Mound, where the weather encourages outdoor living year-round, outdoor lighting offers an opportunity to enhance your home's curb appeal and make your outdoor areas more enjoyable, inviting, and functional. In this article, we'll explore how outdoor lighting in Flower Mound can transform your outdoor spaces into a warm, inviting atmosphere for you, your family, and guests. From creating a cozy ambiance to improving safety and functionality, outdoor lighting plays a key role in making your home's exterior more beautiful and welcoming. Set the mood with soft, warm lighting. One of the most powerful ways outdoor lighting can create an inviting atmosphere is through soft, warm lighting. Harsh, bright lights can feel stark and unwelcoming, but by choosing the right lighting fixtures and positioning them strategically, you can create a warm and comfortable space that feels like an extension of your home. In Flower Mound, where the mild climate allows for year-round outdoor entertaining, soft lighting can help set the perfect mood for everything from family dinners on the patio to relaxing evenings under the stars. Outdoor lighting options such as lanterns, string lights, and low-voltage LED fixtures provide a soft, ambient glow that creates a relaxed, cozy vibe. When placed around seating areas, dining tables, or pathways, warm outdoor lighting can transform any space into a welcoming environment where you'll love spending time. Highlight key features of your property. Outdoor lighting is also a great way to highlight the unique features of your property. Whether you have a beautiful garden, a majestic tree, a striking fountain, or architectural elements like columns or statues, lighting can accentuate these details and bring them to life after dark. In Flower Mound, where many homes boast stunning landscaping and outdoor features, outdoor lighting helps showcase these aspects, making your property more visually appealing. Uplights placed at the base of trees, spotlights on architectural features, and string lights along garden paths all help draw attention to these highlights and create a more dynamic and interesting outdoor space. By illuminating your home's best features, you can add beauty and sophistication to your exterior while creating an atmosphere of warmth and elegance. Create a functional outdoor living space. In addition to enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home, outdoor lighting in Flower Mound can also improve the functionality of your outdoor living spaces. If you love spending time on your patio, balcony, or deck, good lighting makes it possible to enjoy these areas even after the sun sets. Strategically placed lighting can provide enough illumination to enjoy outdoor meals, read a book, or simply relax outside without feeling like you're in the dark. Pathway lights along walkways or steps can make it easier to navigate your outdoor space, ensuring safety while maintaining a soft, welcoming atmosphere. Outdoor lighting also extends the usability of your outdoor spaces, making it easier to host parties or spend time outside well into the evening. Additionally, lighting up your patio or outdoor kitchen area allows you to cook and entertain at any time, giving your home a versatile space that's perfect for both intimate dinners and large social gatherings. Improve safety and security without compromising ambiance. Safety is always a priority, but it doesn't have to come at the expense of creating a cozy, inviting environment. Outdoor lighting can improve safety by illuminating walkways, stairs, driveways, and dark corners of your yard. This ensures that you and your guests can navigate your outdoor spaces without tripping or stumbling. Motion sensor lighting is also a great option for improving security. These lights automatically turn on when movement is detected, providing both illumination and a sense of protection. In Flower Mound, where many homes have large yards and expansive properties, motion sensors are especially useful for keeping your home safe without overwhelming your space with bright, intrusive lighting. By choosing outdoor lighting options that balance safety with ambiance, you create a welcoming and secure environment where you can feel comfortable and at ease. Add value to your home. Investing in quality outdoor lighting can significantly increase the value of your property. Not only does it enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home, but it also shows that you've put thought and care into maintaining your outdoor spaces. Potential buyers will appreciate the extra attention to detail and the ability to enjoy outdoor living at all hours. In Flower Mound, where the real estate market is competitive, homes with professionally designed outdoor lighting can stand out and attract more interest. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the future or simply want to enjoy the benefits of a beautifully illuminated exterior, outdoor lighting is a smart investment that can pay off in both comfort and value. Environmentally friendly and cost-effective solution. If you're concerned about energy usage, there are plenty of energy-efficient outdoor lighting options available, such as LED lights and solar-powered lights. These lighting solutions not only help you save on energy bills but also have a lower environmental impact. LED lights use less power and last longer than traditional bulbs, while solar-powered lights use the sun's energy to power your lights at night, eliminating electricity costs altogether. In Flower Mound, where sustainability is a growing concern for many homeowners, eco-friendly outdoor lighting options provide a way to enjoy beautifully illuminated spaces without contributing to high energy consumption. Conclusion. Outdoor lighting in Flower Mound is an effective way to enhance the beauty, functionality, and safety of your home while creating a warm, inviting atmosphere for you, your family, and your guests. From setting the perfect mood with soft, warm lighting to highlighting your property's unique features and improving security, outdoor lighting is a versatile and valuable investment. By choosing the right lighting for your outdoor spaces, you can transform your home into a welcoming retreat that you'll enjoy day or night. Whether you're hosting a gathering, relaxing on the patio, or simply enjoying your garden, outdoor lighting ensures that your Flower Mound home is always inviting and beautiful.